Uhulumeni ufuna ukuqeda nya umkhuba wokusetshenziswa kwabantu abansundu njengezichuse ukuheha imixhaso yohlelo le-BEE, phecelezi fronting and window dressing. Ngokomnyango wezohwebo nezimboni, kunemithetho nemibandela yokuziphatha elawula uhlelo lwe-BBBEE. Ngokosizo lomkhandlu oluleka iBEE, kunoshintsho olwenziwayo emthethweni i-Broad-Based Black Economic Empowerment. Nokuqala ngokubunjwa kwesikhungo esisodisana nokungahlinzekwa kwayo yonke imininingwane okwenziwa izinkampani. Umnyango wezimboni nohwebo uthi iyadingeka iKhomishana ezoletha amaqiniso nobuqotho ohlelweni le-BEE.
We will be seeking nominations or applications within a few weeks, and the target date for the establishment of the Commission, including the appointment into office of the Commissioner, will be the 31st of March.
Davis uthi lowo ozokhethwa ukuhola lo Khomishana kumele athembeke futhi asebenze ngokuzimisela.
Commission and the Commissioner will be empowered to act without fear or favor. They will not be subject to political directives. They will be answerable to the DTI and to the Minister. They will receive complaints about allegations of fronting. They will look at those. They can attempt to find a solution. If there has been a serious transgression, then of course they have to act with law enforcement agencies and seek a prosecution.
Ukuhlinzeka ngemininingwane okungesiyo kuyicala futhi kungafaka ejele iminyaka 10 labo abakwenzayo.